welcome to Micah. And today we're gonna play with Data Tuna Sucker Watch. Thumbs up this video and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, now let's open it.
All right.
Let's do this.
All right, so we got the card.
Okay, up I go. Okay, now let's get some gas. I'm fixing my car. Okay, now fix. Let's get some gas. Go. All full. Now ready to go. Yay! That was cool, Mommy. Going up. Now I need some gas. Go. Okay, now sit.
Go slow.
Now where's that go? Oh, look. There's some gas. Now ready to go. Okay, guys. This is cool, but now, yes, build a Hobby City silver truck. Okay, yes, build a Hobby City. It was a nice day in Hobby City. Two cars are racing around the city. You can't be me, Elliot. Have disappeared. Oh yeah. Look, this is that tattoo song. I need some more paper. Yeah, these are here. See how my face is right. This is a good day. Now fix that gets some repairs. That gets some double gas. And the tires checks. Go. Now these are tires. You can make me chase of the area. You can maybe go to GP. Oh, we're gonna be. Oh yeah! Yes, I won. These to our car, gas. See how my finish line. You can beat me. I need some focus, some tires. Haha, not really. Oh, no, you can't taste. Why not? It's gonna float. Almost. Now I'm gonna be fit. Go. And look, I almost got first. Get a new tire. Now for fast. Thank you guys. Now we need something going to go up. Hey guys, what are you doing? We just get some more pears. Now we need some more hairs. Go to one more pears. Here we come. This is going to be taking a while. Maybe no while. Okay, I got a bit more ways. Get a bad tire. We're coming, you can go to this bee. Okay, now we're safe.
Again?
Okay, let's get some more pears with this one. This gonna be good on these. Okay, here I go. To the race. Oh yeah. See ya. Hey look, this is more pears. Going up. Now let's see I can go through the door. Okay. Yeah, my finish line, guys. Okay, now sit. Hey, where's Arian? Arian, where are you? I'm looking for me. I can't believe it. We're going to Disney. Uh-oh, he in the weeds. Come on, you have to get up. Going. Where you? Whoa, big roof. We're coming for you. Oh no, how dare you go win? Go to the Valley Whoopians. You're here now, Arian. So you can beat me us to a finish line. Bye-bye, you're going to a Disney. Oh, no, you're not gonna dare. We are here. Oh, yeah. How you be here? Come on. I go this way, and you go this way. awesome. All the way up to the teepee. Oh, sorry. Now we have to read them over or to make a one turn behind. A big whoop-de-whoop. Big whoop-de-whoop. A big whoop-de-whoop. A big whoop-de-whoop. See ya, guys. Taste. You can beat me Aaron, to the finish line. Now it's time for Sophia. Now Sophia here. See you on the finish line, guys. Oh yeah, it's my race. Yeah, go, Boo. Yeah, yay! This car won. This car won the race. Hello guys, it's the end video. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.